and physics was also difficult, a bit calculative, and chemistry had to use some logic. So this was going to be the main paper, isn't it? So what do you all say? What's your view? Tell me. So I consider this paper as a difficult paper. So this is going to be the main paper. So let's move with the question. So this first question is from indefinite integration, the simple indefinite integration. I would say this paper is simple indefinite integration. So let's start solving with this. I want you all to just answer this by just going through a few such fundamentals, answer this question. So in this question what we are going to do is that we are going to put x plus 1 to the power 4, x plus x to the power 1 by 4 equal to t. That means x equal to t to the power 4. And can we say that dx is equal to 4 t cube dt? Now when we go here, dx is 4t cube dt, and x to the power 1 by 4 was t, and at the bottom it is t plus 1. Okay, now what can we do is that we could do a fraction part. Okay, we can do t plus 1 minus t plus 1. It is t plus 1 minus t. So when it is t plus 1 it will become 4t square, and when it is t it will become 4t cube by t plus 1. Okay, this is dt, this is dt. So this is 4 by 3 t cube, it is minus. Now how to work on this type of things, isn't it? How to work on this type of things is, if we have minus and then plus, if we have a plus and then minus, so 4 is here, we'll do plus 1 and minus 1, so we'll get t plus 1 into t square minus t plus 1 dt. Okay, so we did minus 1 plus 1, we got this thing, yes, a cube minus a cube plus b cube, and then we did minus 1 minus dt upon t plus 1. Yes, so from here we are having 4 by 3 t cube minus 4. If you see, it is t cube by 3 minus t square by 2 plus t, and this is minus ln t plus 1 plus c, and 4 is overall. So overall we are getting f0. We are told f0 is minus 6. So in place of x to the power 1 by 4 we have written t. So can we say that it is 4 by 3 x to the power 3 by 4 minus 4 by 3 x to the power 3 by 4 plus 2 t square, that means t to the power 1 by 2. It's a 1 by 4, so whole square is 1 by 2. Okay, and minus 4 t is x to the power 1 by 4, and minus ln t to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 x to the power 1 by 4 plus c. So at x equal to 0 it is 0 0 0 0 0 plus c, so c is minus 6. Okay, now f2 will come out to be c is minus 6. This is 4 by 3 4 by 3 cancel. 2 root 2. Okay. 4 minus 4. 2 to the power 1 by 4. Plus minus. ln 2 to the power 1 by 4 plus 1 minus 6. So this is the answer. This is the answer. If S is the word formed by the word garden, if S is the word formed by word garden, then what? Then what meaning you should be solving this question? I am giving you few instant of time to think on this. Kindly think on this. And then I would start giving you some new views. Okay, first start thinking. 5 4 3 2 1. So what should we do is that S is a set of words formed by all the letters of garden. Then find the probability that all vowels are not together. So my question is, vowels are A, E, and other words are G, R, D, N. So all vowels, we'll keep both the vowels together and then we'll do arrangement. So total number of arrangement is 6 factorial when vowels are together, and their arrangement is 5 factorial, 2 factorial, and total arrangement is 6 factorial. So what is the probability that all vowels are not together? So it is this thing, 5 factorial common, 6 minus 2 4, 4 by 6, 2 by 3. So this was easy level question. Now we are given that this is the question which is given. So now in this question, the square of distance of point from this in direction vector this. That means we have simply x minus 15 by 7 upon 1. That means if we call it lambda plus 15 by 7, will be lying on this thing, okay? And 4 lambda plus 32 by 7. So the words they have given are difficult, you see. X minus 15 by 7 upon 1 is equal to this thing, okay? So we got the point. This is the point, this is the vector. So we got the point, isn't it? And this point would lie on 3 mu minus 1. This is one side. And you will get 5 mu minus 3. 7 mu minus 5. So we can say that lambda plus 15 by 7 is equal to 3 mu minus 1. So we can say that lambda equal to 3 mu minus 22 by 7. We can say that 4 lambda plus 32 by 7 is equal to 5 mu minus 3. So it's simply, we can say 4 lambda plus 53 by 7 equal to 5 mu. Okay. So there is something difficult. So this is lambda, this is mu. We'll multiply this with 4 and keep here. Okay. So 4 lambda equal to 12 mu minus 88 by 7. Hopefully we get something easier. We subtract them. Subtract them in the sense 88 plus 7 will go there and then subtract. So it will become uh, 5 3 minus by 7. Okay, and it will become, it is equal to okay, equal to 12, 5 minus 7, minus 7 mu. So mu is going to be 5 by 7. So mu is 5 by 7. So lambda will come out to be 15 minus 22 minus 7 minus 1. So lambda is minus 1. So the points are on the line as lambda is minus 1, 8 by 7, 4 by 7, 0. Okay, so this is the point and this is the point. Now we have to calculate these 2 points. So distance will be calculated as root under 8 by 7 minus 15 by 7, which is 1 square. 4 by 7 minus 8 by 7, 27. 27 by 28 by 7, 4 square, and 7 square. So it is what? 49, 16, 65, 166, root 66, and square of this is what? 66. So option 4 is the answer. This is J advanced previous year question. If you don't mind, I would like to keep it. This is J advanced previous year question. So you should be aware of this. In this awareness, what happens is that B transpose. If we do that, it is going to come out as I. Okay, B transpose comes out to be I. So we are waiting for. Okay, so now we are on this question. So for this, we know that B is P transpose. So can we work on first P into P transpose? It is cos theta sin theta minus sin theta cos theta, and transpose of this is nothing but cos theta minus sin theta. Okay, sin theta cos theta. If you solve it, it is cos square theta minus sin square theta 1, cos sin cos 0, sin cos cos sin, cos square sin square. So it is I. P transpose is I. Now if you go with C is P transpose B. B is P transpose. One time P transpose, two time dot 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 P transpose, and at the end we have P. This is 10th time. So P transpose is 1, P transpose is 1, P transpose is 1. So this is B is 10 times. So we'll get simply A to the power 10. This is what we are going to get. So A to the power 10. We have to find A to the power 10 now. So that will start with first A square. So we'll go with 1 by root 2, 0, minus 2, 1, and 1 by root 2, 0, minus 2, 1. This is 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2. So it's a 1 by 2 and minus 2, 0, 0, minus root 2, 1 by root 2 into minus 2, minus root 2, minus root 2, minus 2. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. So this is going to happen, okay? It is 2 root 2 somewhere. Uh, this is 2, okay? So if we, this is a square, simply from here we got this as a square. And now we have to do a to the power 5. Yes, a to the power a square into a square if you do. It is 1 by 2, 0, minus root 2 minus 2, 1. And we multiply this with 1 by 2 minus root 2 minus 2, 0, 1. So if you multiply, it is 1 by 4, 0. It will multiply minus 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 minus 3, minus 3 by 2, root 2 minus 2, root 2 plus 2, and this one is 1. So we'll have to go for a5 again. Sum of diagonal element of C. So it is 1 square, 1 square, then it will become 1 by 4 whole square, 2 to the power 4. It was simply, we started with 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 whole square, and 1 by 2 whole square, 1 by 4 whole square. We can say anything, root 2 whole square, root 2 to n equal to 1, n equal to 2, n equal to 3, 4, 16, 4, 4 हो जाएगा ना, 16 रूट 8 हो जाएगा. सो 2 इंटू एन, 2n प्लस 1 हो जाएगा. इससे सिंपली 2n. 2n is simply 2n. So we can say that C will come out to be 1 by 2 to the power n. Okay, okay, okay. This is 4. 4, 4, 8. It will become 16. 16. 16 into a square. A square is 1 by 2. 132. It will become 132. 1 by 32. And plus 1. Which is 33 by 32. M plus n is 32 plus 36, 65. Trace of C will become, which is a to the power 10, 65. So option, this is correct. Area enclosed by this graph. Okay. So we'll consider y square plus 1 equal to 1 by x. So we can say y square equal to minus 1 plus 1 by x. And here we have y square equal to 2x. So let's plot the graph. So minus 1 is here. Okay. And then from here we are drawing from x. So x is 0. X is infinity. So it will go to minus 1. Yes. When it is equal to 0. When x equal to 1. When x is equal to 1, it is 0. Okay. When it is, and then for negative side, it is going somewhere like this. Okay. Y square equal to 2x. So y square equal to 2x this way, and we'll see that whether it is right. X equal to minus 1. X tending to infinity, it is minus 1. So x equal to minus 1, it is minus 2. Y square equal to 2x. So x is positive. Okay. X1, this is 0. X1, this is 2. No, no, no. When x is 1, y is plus minus root 2. So minus root 2 is minus 1 point something. So it is like this. Okay. Okay. So area enclosed. Area enclosed by whom? So this area enclosed, or this is not area enclosed. This is area enclosed. So we can consider this as, okay, this graph, this part as, in with respect to y-axis, we can say that uh, root 2 root x. Okay, this graph is root 2x. Their intersection, we'll have to check their intersection will be at y square equal to minus 1 by x, and y square equal to 2x. So 2x equal to minus 1 plus 1 by x. So 2x square plus x minus 1 equal to 0. So x equal to minus 1 plus minus root under b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is minus 1 plus minus 3 by 2 minus 2 1. So minus 2 and 1, it will intersect at minus 2, x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2, they will intersect. So two roots are coming, that means x equal to minus 2. It is not possible to have x equal to minus 2. X equal to minus 2 not possible, na? So from where are you getting that root? I just wanted to ask. X equal to 1, we are intersecting. Okay, this is 1. At the point of 1, we are intersecting. So it should be clear enough, okay? So I cracked in 2019, okay? So I think this is the area we have to take it. The point of intersection of this curve and this curve is minus 2. At minus 2, it is what? Minus 1 by 2. Minus 1 by 2. Minus 3 by 2. So minus 3 by 2 does not exist on this. 1 exists somewhere. We did the same. Okay, x equal to minus 2. It is what? Minus 3 by 2. It is minus 4. X equal to 1, 0, 2. So how they exist? I'm really confused. Okay, let me see once. There is a curve. So y square equal to 1 by x minus 1 and y square equal to 2x. We will intersect them. That means we will solve them properly. So we'll put 1 by x minus 1 equal to 2x. So we'll have LCM. LCM will be somewhere 1 minus x equal to 2x square. If we put x equal to minus 1, we are getting the solution. Okay. So x equal to minus 1, we are getting the solution. So if we have 2x square plus x minus 1, so x equal to minus 1 is the solution, then we can say that x equal to 1 by 2 is the solution. Okay. So x equal to 1 by 2 is the solution. X equal to minus 1, they are getting minus 2, but this is not valid. Okay. So x equal to 1 by 2 is the solution. That means one graph was going like this, if you remember. One graph was going like this, if you remember. They are intersecting at 1 by 2, 1 by 2, comma 0. Now, area enclosed by this and this on this could be one of the thing, or this and this by this could be also the thing. Okay, because what will happen, we'll write x y in the function of x. That means x equal to 1 upon 1 plus y square. This will become the function, and at that side y square by 2 will become the function. So let's try to integrate on this side. Integration 0 to x is 1 by 2. Yes, 1 by 2 x dx. That is 1 by y square dy. है ना? Function of y to dy. So y, this is x equal to 1. So y is what? X equal to 1 by 2. Y is 1. So y is 1. From here to here y. So y 1, and then 1 to infinity dy by 1 by y square. So uh, this is also this is y square by 2. Okay, this is first function. This is the first function, which is y square by 2. Okay, so we'll have to remove that. Okay, so it's like y square by 2, y square by 2, and we have dy. So we can say y cube by 6, 0 to 1, and this is 10 inverse y. Infinity is pi by 2, and 10 inverse 1 is pi by 4. So if you see, it is nothing but 1 by 6 plus pi by 4. Okay. Second area, if we try to find second area, meaning this side enclosed. So we will have second area like integration 0 to 1 by 2. Now y in the form of x root 2 root x dx. Okay. And then 1 by 2 and 1 by x minus x equal to 1. It is 0 at 1. Okay. So it is 1 by x minus 1 dx. So if you see, it is nothing but root 2 x to the power 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2, 3 by 2 will come down, x to the power 3 by 2, which is 1 by 2, 3 by 2. Okay, and on 0 by 0, and this is 1 plus 1 by x ln x at 1 it is 0, and it is minus 1, and at 1 by 2 plus ln 2 it is, and x minus x at 1 by 2 minus 1 by 2, 1 by 2. So this is going to be somewhere 2 3 by 2, 2 3 by 2. Okay, 2 3 by 2 meaning uh, 2 into root 2, 2 into root 2 is cancel, it is 1 by 3. So 1 by 3 plus 1 by 2 plus ln 2, which is equal to 5 by 6 L into. So which type of area they are trying to mention? We are a bit confused. Based on answer, we can say that if you try to enclosed which area, enclosed by this and x-axis or y-axis, it depends on both. Okay, so let's proceed ahead. Based on the answer we could have chosen. Okay, the interior angle of the polygon of n side. So n sided polygons are there. So this is a good question of AP-GP. Okay, so interior angle of n sided are in AP. Okay, if it is theta, this is theta plus d. This is theta plus 2d. So it will go up to, okay, with a common difference 6. If the largest angle is 1 to 19, okay, 219 is the largest angle. So one of the largest angle now it is, this is the largest angle 219. Okay, it goes 219. Okay, now what will happen if it is n sided? What will happen if it is n sided? If you see, we have 1 2 3 n sided triangle possible. So n triangle possible, n triangle possible. So if you have n triangle possible, means 360 into n. So if you see in this triangle, we have 180 into n. So 180 into n minus 360 is sum of all the angle. Okay, so it is 2 pi minus 2 pi plus pi n is Sn. So sum of the all the sides is n by 2, 2a. It is 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is it. So now what will happen? We have n by 2. In we know that a plus n minus 1 into d is the last term, which is 219. Okay, and we know d. We know d. So we know d. By that d, what will happen? Nothing will happen. Common difference we know. N-sided no. Common difference we know. N minus 1 into d. So what will you do by that d? Nothing. So then the value of n, okay, so it's minus 2 pi plus pi n. It is equal to n a by 2 plus 219 n by 2. So what will you do by this n if the biggest interior angle is 219? Do we have any clause? Any clause on this? Hmm. Any clause on this? If we have, no, we don't have right now. They have common difference 6. Okay, if the biggest interior angle is of polygon is 219, then n is equal to, so we can say n minus 2 into pi is equal to n to a plus 219. So if biggest number is this, we can make n equal to a equal to 0, near to 0. Can we do it? A equal to near to 0, and this is 22 by 7. Pi is 222 by 7. So 22n minus 44 equal to 7a by 2, 7a n by 2 plus 219 into 7 n by 2. So if we put a equal to 0, okay, then it is 44. So 22n minus 219 into 7n by 2 equal to 44. So n should be coming out to be integer, but it is not coming integer. It is coming some fraction. And it is coming negative also, 17. So we should keep on reducing the value of n. It is somewhere what, let's calculate it. Uh, let's calculate it. 44 minus 963 7 by 2. It is n, and this is 44. So we are going out of some zone, but still we are calculating. The calculation is ongoing. So 33 minus 1500, 1490. 1419 is 745. Okay, we got 1419, which is 745, and equal to 44. So n is coming negative. Still n is coming negative, isn't it? So n cannot come negative. It is 44 by 745 multiplied with minus. So this is negative, which is not possible. Okay, we'll come to this question. Let's move ahead. If fx is 0 to 3, fx equal to this thing, gx is 0 to b, gx is this thing, fx and gx are onto function, then x belongs to x such that x belongs to z, x belongs to a, x belongs to b, x belongs to 2, x belongs to integer, or integer, z means integer, and x belongs to a, x belongs to b. So find such things. Okay, so let's draw the graph, plot the graph, plot the graph. So for the first function, if you differentiate f dash x, it is 6x squared minus 30x plus 36. It is not. It is left at x minus 5 plus 6, x minus 2. So it has two critical points. Add 2 and 3. It is plus minus plus. That means it's a cubic. Yes, increasing. Add 3. What is the value? 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8 27, 54, 54, 108, 162, 169 59 ja 1 is a positive only. Okay, okay, this is the graph. Okay, it is a graph of fx. Now for gx, if we differentiate, we are going to get 2025 x to the power 2024, and it is now normally 1 plus x 2025 whole square, 1 plus x 2025 minus x 2025 2025 x 2024. This is how it will go. Okay, so you will simply find that 2025 x to the power 2024 will come in common, and we'll have 1. Okay, upon 1 plus x 2025 whole square. So it is 0 as 0, or it is positive bigger than equal to 0. Okay, this is bigger than equal to 0, or that means it is increasing only. So at x equal to 0, it is 0. Okay, and it is 0, and x tending to infinity. At x tending to infinity, uh, infinity 1, it is going to 1. At 2, it is what? 8, 16, 72, 88, 88, 7, 95, 95 से स्टार्ट गया 35. This is 35, but it is maximum going 1. 7. Okay, it is maximum going 1. This 3 is also what? 3 3 are 9, 17, 54, 54, 100 are 69, 135. This is also more. So 1 will be going somewhere here. 1 will be less than here, going to 0, and x is negative. So it is 0 at what point? Uh, -2, -8, -72. It is negative. 1, -1, -2, 30, -36, 15, negative. So it's negative. And 0, 0 पे 7 है. So -1 पे also negative. Okay. So what will happen at -1? At -1 it is going to be -1 minus h, -1 plus h. It will minus infinity, and -1 plus h, मतलब this is 0 and this is -1, and -1 minus h. This is minus and this is 1. So this will come out to infinity. At 1, and then minus infinity, like this. Okay, this is the curve. So they never collide. So ns is 0. You find that they don't have any intersection. They don't have any intersection, or we'll have to check at this point. uh, 1 by 2. At 1 by 2, if we check, -1 by 2. At minus 1 by infinity, 1 -1 by 0. At 0 point, near to 0, it's 7, and falling continuously, it's falling down. So at 1 by 2, -1 by 4, -15 by 4, -16 by 4, -4, -18. So it's a negative, still negative. Okay. So are they intersecting here? At -1, this has some value. So no, ns 0 is equal to 0. No intersection. So s belongs to x as the integer, x belongs to a. And our domain is from 0, okay, 0 to 3, and 0 to infinity. So in this, what will happen? S belongs to integer. So this domain, the range of gx is 0 to 1, 1, and range of fx is 7, and then at 3 it came out to be some other value. At 2 it came out to be maximum, and at 3 it came out to be minimum. 3 3 से 9, अच्छा 27, 54, 54, 108, 162, 169, 34, 2 2 4 2 8, 16 16 72, 88 7 85, पंचानवे 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 सात 35. So it is going and at 0 it is 7. So can we say it's 7 to 35? 7 to 35 and 0 to 1. So it's like the integer are 0 or 7 to 35. So we have 30 element. We have 30 elements. Okay, we have 30 elements. We got it, 30 elements. Now we are moving to this question. Let y square equal to 4x is a parabola. If the image of parabola with respect to line is a curve fx and y plus 5 equal to 0 cuts fx at a and b, then the area of ABC. Okay, y square 4x. Okay, y square equal to 4x is a parabola. The image of parabola with respect to x plus y equal to 4 is a curve and line 5 cuts fxy. Okay, so in parabola what do we want? uh, focus we want focus we want this is 1 comma 0 and directrix, this point will get reflected at this point, isn't it? Yes. So y equal to minus 5, y equal to minus 5 is the reflection of x equal to minus 5, x equal to minus 5. If it is y equal to minus 5, then in the given line x plus y plus 4, the reflection of y minus 5 will become x minus 0, x minus 0, um, x minus x1 upon 1 y minus 5 upon 1 equal to minus 2 times x1 plus y equal to minus 5 plus 4 upon 2. This is minus of x1 minus 1 and this is 0. X minus x1 equal to 0. So x1 equal to 1. X1 equal to 1, we can say that. X equal to x1. X equal to 1. Okay. So we can say that there would be a line which will be cutting it in 2 point A and B. Okay, A and B. Then the value of area of triangle ABC. C is focus of y square 4x. Okay. Take the image of this line. This line in the sense y equal to y5, x equal to 1. Okay. In that image and then cut it. After cutting, take the image of that point with respect to this and then form the area. Okay, we can do this. Oh, so what will happen? We have this parabola. We have a line y equal to minus 5. Okay, we have y equal to minus 5. Line is x y4 minus 4. Okay, this is the line. through which we have to take reflection x plus y plus 4 equal to 0. So now what will happen? This line will cut x equal to 1. This line will cut the parabola at x equal to 1. Y minus 5. So what will happen? We'll take reflection of that point in this point. So this will be forming somewhere curve like this, isn't it? So if we consider the focus of this one and center of this one, center and focus will change. Center and focus will change. So if we do x minus 1 by 1, y minus 0 by 1 equal to minus 2 times 1045 by 2. So x will become minus 4, y will become minus 5. So focus, our new focus will become this, and our new center will become x minus 0 by 1, y minus 0 by 1 equal to minus 2 times 4 upon 2. So it's minus 4 minus 4. Okay, so new parabola has become minus 4 comma minus 4 with the center minus 4 and minus 5, minus 5 minus 4 minus 4. This is the way it has come out to be. Okay, the reflection of center in this, and this is the center. Now this is intersected by x plus y, x y equal to 5, y equal to 5. Now if you write the equation of this parabola first, it will be y plus 4 x is whole square. Okay, mm, x plus 4 whole square. Will there be any change in curvature? Will there be any change in curvature? Nature of curvature, I mean to say that it is near to y equal to x only, so there won't be change in nature curvature. Mm, we'll have to consider this as 4 only. Okay, so the distance between them are 1 only, so 4a. Okay, 4a only. So this is the curvature. Now this is intersected by y plus 5 equal to 0. So that means what happened, we can say y plus 4 equal to minus 1, and this is not going to be negative. So this is negative parabola. Yes, so y plus 4 is minus 1, so it is 4. So x plus 4 is equal to plus minus 2, x equal to minus 6 or plus minus 2. So x equal to minus 6 minus 2. So the point A is becoming minus 6. If x is minus 6, 4 by 4, 1, minus 1, minus 4, minus 5. And B point is going to be x is minus 2, 4 and minus 5. Same thing. Yes, like x is varying, y is staying the same. Okay, so it has become somewhere like this. Now ABC area. So area is nothing but half 100 minus 6 minus 5 1 minus 2 minus 5 1. So let's calculate this area. Half this side, minus 5 plus 5 0 on this side, 30 minus 10 20. So this is 10. So the area is 10. Okay, so a bit logical question. If an ellipse x square by 9 y square by 4 equal to 1, the midpoint of the chord is this, then the length of the chord. Okay, this we solved in previously question. Previously it has come such type of question. So length of the chord. So we had to do some calculation. Okay, so midpoint was given. So we got t equal to s1 as the equation of chord. So we got it like 2xt plus 1 by 9 y equal to 1. T equal to s1. S1 is 2 by 9 plus 4 by 9. Okay, so it was something 2 root y equal to 6. This was it, and we will have to solve this with the equation now. Now in place of y we are going to put 6 minus root 2. So x square x square 6 minus y 6 minus root 2. Let's try it. Okay, 6 minus root 2x whole square equal to 1. So it is x square plus 2x square plus 36 minus 12 root 2x equal to 1. This is 3x square minus 12 root 2x plus 35 equal to 0. Okay, so what will happen if this is x1, this is x2? So we have to find our real solution is x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So x1 plus x2 we got, it is 4 root 2. But 4 root 2 whole square is what? 32 minus 4 times of 35, 4 times of 35, that means 140 by 3. x1 minus x2 whole square is 3 4 जा 4 16 16 32 है ना, और ये 35/3 4 140 140/3, ये तो निगेटिव हो गया, ये तो निगेटिव हो गया। 288 तो डी लेस देन जीरो हो गया, डी लेस देन जीरो, नो इंटरसेक्शन विच इज नॉट पॉसिबल। √2x/9 y/3 इट्स अ 3। ओके, तो यहाँ 3 मल्टीप्लाई करो तो ये 9 आएगा, है ना। ओके, and then in this it's a 2 by 9, it is 4 whole square, which is 4 by 9. So it is 2 root 3x. Okay, so I think we got our mistake. It is y by 9. And one more thing, there should be 9, and here was 9 into 4 and then 1. So we did a bit good mistake in this. So we should be solving it nicely, clearly, patiently. So it was 4x square plus 36 plus 2x square minus 12 root 2x equal to 36. It is somewhere happening like that. So we have 4x square plus 2x square minus 12 root 2x equal to 0. We can say that x is equal to 0 or 6x square. So x is equal to 2 root 2. So x equal to 0. 6x square, we can take 6x common, x minus 2 root 2. Okay, so this is the value. Okay, so one value is 0, one value, when x is 0, y is 2 plus minus root 2, when x is 2 root 2, 8 by 9, 1 by 9, 2 by 9, y is 2 by 9. So now the distance length is what? x1 minus x2 whole square, that means 8, y1 minus y2, 18 में से 2 गया, 16, 16 256 by 81, अरे बाप. So okay Chirag, have a good sleep. So it is like 8 6 4 256 and we have 9. So 8 6 14, 5 4 9 1 10, 14 8 9, 9. Okay, so can we have any term coming out of 9? So this is 2 root 2 alpha, square both the side, so 4 by 9 alpha. So 9 9 cancel, whole square. Okay, so alpha is 9, 904 by 9. If we do 45 to 18, 2 9 ja, 2 27, 22 6 ja, and we have 226 by 9. So the answer is 226 by 9 alpha. Okay, x square plus y square minus 8x, it is a circle. Okay, it is a circle, and x square, this intersect, circle intersect this at a and b. Okay, a triangle formed using vertices a b c, where c lies, where c lies on this. Okay, the locus of centroid of abc, they have intersection. Okay, so can we put y square equal to minus x square plus 8x, put in this equation? So x square, 4x square minus 9, y square is nothing but minus x square plus 8x equal to 36. If you solve it, 13x square Minus 72x minus 36 equal to 0. Now we'll have to find a bigger x, very rough x. 72 whole square can be written as 36. 36 4 minus 4ac. 4 36 into 13 upon 26. 72 plus minus, we can take out 36 into 4, which is 12. We are left with 36 plus 13, which is 49. Okay, so we are getting some number nearby this. So 72 plus minus 12 into 7 by 26. So 84 plus 26, 156 by 26, and 1 is minus 12 by 26. 1 is 78. Okay, so these are the value of x. So we got the x. Can we get the y? Okay, so y square is minus x square something something, which is lengthy. 36 169 minus 48 by 13. So this is not possible. This full value is not possible for x. So we'll proceed with the second one. Second one is 17.8. Okay, it's a 6 time. Okay, it's a 6. 13 6 ja. So minus 36 plus 48, which is 12. So y equal to 3 root 2 plus minus. Okay. Okay. So one value is 6. A is 6. 3 root 2. B is 6 minus 3 root 2. C lies on this. Lies on line x. 2x plus 4 by 3. Now we have to find the locus of centroid. So centroid locus is x, which is equal to 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus x, 12 plus x by 3. This is h. Okay, and k is what? 0. 2x plus 4 by 9. So can we say that 3x minus 12, 3h minus 12, and this is x, which is equal to 9y minus 4 by 2. So this is locus of centroid, which is a straight line. Isosceles triangle with two sides. This is isosceles with two sides. X plus 2y equal to 4, and this is x plus y equal to 4. Then the sum of all possible values of slope of the third sides of the triangle. Hmm. Hmm. So what can happen? Isosceles angle meaning this angle equal to this angle. Okay. Slope. Okay. This theta equal to this theta. So can we say that tan theta? Okay. This has come out to be simple. The slope of this is m, and the slope of this is minus 1 by 2, equal to slope of this m plus 1, 1 minus m. Okay, now we'll open with plus minus and then solve for quadratic. Okay, so first we open with plus. So m plus 1 by 2 minus m square minus m by 2, m plus 1 plus 1 minus m by 2, m by 2 cancel, m cancel. It is coming out to be 1 plus 1 2, and minus 3 by 2 equal to m square, which is not possible. So plus sign is not possible, we are going with minus. So we are going with minus. So we'll simply multiply in the given equation with minus. So it will become minus m minus 1 by 2 plus m square plus m by 2 equal to m plus 1 plus 1 m plus 1 minus m square. Okay, we did something wrong also in this calculation. We did something wrong in the calculation also. So let's continue. Skipping step will definitely make us to make some mistake, otherwise it is going to be solvable. So we'll open with plus sign, okay, positive sign. So it is m plus 1 by 2 minus m square minus m by 2, m plus 1 minus m square by 2 minus m by 2, minus m by 2 cancel, m cancel. It will become m square by 2 and it will become minus 1 by 2. Okay, so this is not possible. So second time when we'll open with negative, we have multiplied with minus m by 2 minus plus m by, okay, and here m plus 1 minus m square by 2 minus m by 2. So it will become, this time what will happen is that it will become 3m square by 2 m minus m minus m, and this is 3 by 2. So you are simply getting 3m square by 2 minus m equal to 3 by 2. So we can simply say it is 3m square minus 2m minus 3 equal to 0. If we try to find m, which is 2 plus minus b square, which is 2 plus minus 40 root 10 1 3. Okay, so all the possible slopes of the third side of the triangle is, m is this thing, sum of all possible is 1 by 3, 1 by 3, 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 2 by 3. So plus minus will get cancelled, 1 by 3 plus 1 by 3, 2 by 3. Got it? Now we are on this question. This question is twice differentiable such that f2 equal to 1, fx equal to sfx fx, integration 0 to 2. So first we'll do s fx and then differentiate of x, will have fx dx, okay, which is equal to 6. It is 0 to 2, 0 to 2. So we have to find this. This is the IIT advanced question somewhere, okay. X square f dash x minus 2s f dash x dx equal to 40. If you see x f dash x 0 to 2, it is nothing but 2 into 6, 12. and it is x square f dash x 0 to 2. So this is equal to 4 f dash 2 is equal to 42. Okay, one thing this we got. Now we have to find this value fx dx. So this is fx dx, isn't it? And this is 0 to 2. So at 2 we are getting 2f2 minus 6 equal to 0 to 2 fx dx, that we are getting. And f dash 2 we got f dash 2 is 42 by 4, which is 21 by 2, which is 10.5. Okay, getting 0 to this fx dx. F2 value is 1 given, so it is f2 value is 2 into f2. So f2 is 1, 2 to the 4, so minus 2. So the sum, if you the f dash 2 plus 0 to 2 fx dx is equal to 10.5 minus 2, which is 8.5. Yes, so which is the advanced level question. Fx is a polynomial such that this. So we know that when fx is such thing, we have fx equal to 1 plus minus x to the power n, and f2 we are given f2, so it is 1 plus minus cannot be 2 to the power n, which is 2 to the power 8. दो दो चार दो छः दो आठ, दो दो चार दो आठ, 16 32 64 128 7, 2 to the power 7 plus 1, so we can say n equal to 7. So we got fx equal to 1 plus x to the power 7. Now number of real values of k satisfying fk equal to minus 2k. Okay, so fk is 1 plus k to the power 7, which should be equal to minus 2k. So we have nothing but number of values. Okay, so this is this is equal to 2, and k equal to a graph. It will go like this and it will go like this, odd number graph increasing, and k equal to minus 2k, k equal to minus 2k. It will intersect at any point, only single point. So number of solutions is 1 है ना. Number of solution 1. So this was the function. I don't know what was that doubt in that. In this, what will happen? Sec inverse. Anything going sec inverse. Anything going, this should be bigger than equal to 1 or less than equal to 1. Bigger than equal to, or bigger than equal to, less than equal to minus 1. So it should be minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. That means 2 greatest integer x plus 1 should be bigger than equal to 1. That means greatest integer should be bigger than equal to 0. One case. From here what can we say? X bigger than 0. Bigger than equal to 0. Okay. Second, 2 greatest integer x plus 1 should be less than equal to minus 1. Okay. So we can say that greatest integer x is less than or equal to -1. So we can still say that x belongs to, if it is 0 minus infinity to 0 minus, it is minus and it is 0 plus. So if you take both of the case same, okay, so x belongs to r, you are going to get x belongs to r, because it is minus infinity to 0 and this is 0 to infinity. Okay, x square minus 3 minus 2 iota x, this is has root alpha plus iota beta beta. This is J advanced fantastic question from your exercise 2. Okay, so we can get that alpha plus gamma plus iota beta plus delta is nothing but 3 minus 2 iota. So alpha plus gamma is 3, beta plus delta is minus 2. And if we multiply, this is first, second, if we multiply alpha plus iota beta and gamma plus iota delta, it is alpha gamma iota alpha delta plus beta gamma minus beta delta. Okay, and it is equal to plus minus plus 2 minus 2 iota. That means alpha gamma minus beta delta is 2 and alpha delta plus beta gamma is minus 2. Okay. अब कैसे होगा, अब कैसे होगा, तो यहाँ प्लस माइनस का साइन नहीं होता तो ये सही हो जाता, यही होता, या नंबर पुट कर करके देखो, 1,2 करो. ओके, if you do 1 and this to 2, gamma delta, alpha is 1, beta is, gamma is 2, so it's a 2, beta delta is minus 2 minus 2, बीटा को 0 कर दो और डेल्टा को -2 कर दो, तो इधर देखो अल्फा 1 है, गामा 2 है, बीटा 0 है, डेल्टा -2 है. So it is working somewhere. Okay, it is working that alpha is coming out to be 1, gamma is coming out to be 2, beta is coming out to be 0, delta is coming out to be -2. If you put, it is going to satisfy everywhere. 1 minus 2, 0 2 minus 2. Okay, so alpha gamma plus beta delta is 2. Okay, that means it was independent of beta. So one is real and another is real. That means I think delta will also be 0, but delta equal to 2. Okay, let's go. B1, B2, B3 are contains 4 blue and white balls. Okay, so we have to draw like this. Okay, this is B1, B2, B3 bags. Okay, they are bags, different bag. 4 blue, 6 white. This is B1. This is B2. 5 blue, 5 white. This is B2. 6 blue, 4 white. B3. A bag is randomly selected and a ball is drawn. If the ball drawn is white, find the probability that it was drawn, probability that B2 bag was selected. Ball drawn. Ball, the probability of drawing from B, given it was white, is probability of white, probability of B2, probability of B2, it will become opposite, okay? And it will become W B2 upon P B2 P W B2 P B2 B1 P W B1 P B3 P W B3. Okay, so we are going through base theorem. Okay, probability of choosing back 2 is 1 by 3. Probability of ball, white ball, given it is from blue. Can we say P white given blue? B2 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 has only 5 white, blue white. Okay, 5 white. It is 1 by 2, 5 by 10. Okay, okay. So this is nothing but 1 by 3, 1 by 3 cancel, it is 1 by 2 only, plus probability of B 1 by 3. So we are drawing this here. It is 1 by 3, 1 by 2 upon 1 by 3. This is 1 by 2 plus PB2, probability of B1 is 1 by 3, and probability of B1 is 1 by 3. Probability of B given white given blue. Okay, white intersection B1 is 4 by 10 upon 1 by 3. This is P with, okay, 1 by 3 is 6 by 10. Okay, white. This is 4 by 10. This is 1 by 3. So we are simply doing what? 1 by 2, 1 by 2, 6 by 10, 4 by 10, 10, 10, 1, 3 by 2, 1 by 3. Back will be selected by 1 by 3. Okay. 4 an, n square something something something. So 1 by an. 1 by an is nothing but n plus 3, n plus 2 by 4. We have to do summation of this. Okay, so it is nothing but 4, 1 by n plus 2 minus 1 by n plus 3. Now we start putting n equal to 1 to 1025. So it is 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 5, dot dot dot, 1 by 2027, 1 by 2028. So if you see the cancellation, it's like this. So we are left with 4, 1 by 3 minus 1 by 2028. So 4, 2028. It is somewhere 6, 7, 8 minus 1. So if you multiply with this 5 4 ja 677. So this is how it goes. 212, 213 up to 999. There are number of sequences above whose sum of digit is 15. So sum of the digit should be 15. That means 1, 2, 3 should come out to be 15. Mm, if it is 2, we can have 15. So if we have 2, so we are left with 13. So it could be 6 comma 7. It could be 5 comma 8. It could be 4 comma 9. Okay, okay. This is the possibility and their arrangement is 2 factorial, 2 factorial, 2 factorial. Now when it's a 3, 3 is gone, so we have 4, 8, 3, 5, 7, 3, 6, 6. So 2, 2, 1. Similarly, I think we can count 4 is there now. So 4, 5, 4, 4, 7, 4, 5, 6, 2, 2. Now 5, 5, 5, 5, 5 is 15. Yes. If you go now more 6, one number will become lower than 5. So here one case. So how many cases? 2, 2, 4, 2, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 16 cases. 16 numbers are possible. 16 numbers are possible whose sum of digit is this. Okay, one of the digit could be including 0. Like this 0 is at the end, okay? This 0 is at the end and we have 1. So 1, 0 not work, 14 not work, 7, 7, 4, 9, 7, 8 work, 7, 8. Okay, 6, 9 work. Okay, this is when all digits are occupied, when only two digits are occupied. And we can give 10, no, we can give 7, we can give 8. So from here we are going to get when 7 is there 2 factorial, when 0 is here, like the arrangement is 3 factorial 6, and when 0 is here 2 factorial, so 4, 4, 8, 24. What we are doing that when two zeros are there, then no numbers are going to be 15 when one zeros are there. Okay, then these are the only possibilities. So this is the answer. Okay, now in this is normally routine question. You see that the difference of this and this is nothing but pi by 6. So we'll write sine pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 minus pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 upon sine pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 sine pi by 4 plus r pi by 6 summation r equal to 1, so 13. So sine a minus b is nothing but sine. So we have sine 60, we multiply sine 30, so multiplied by 1 by 2 divided by 1 by 2, so it is 2 time. Okay, now it is nothing but sine a cos b, so it is going to be cot pi by 4 plus r minus 1 pi by 6 minus cot pi by 4 plus r pi by 6. This is the summation we have to go with. Okay, so r equal to 1 cot pi by 4 minus cot pi by 4 plus pi by 6, r equal to 2 cot pi by 4 pi by 6 cot pi by 4 2 pi by 6. So it will keep on going. Yes, you will find that these terms are getting cancelled. So we are left with last term, which is cot 13 pi by 4 plus 13 pi by 6. If you go here, it is nothing but 2 cot pi by 4 is 1 minus cot pi by 4. 13 is nothing but 2 pi plus pi by 6. So pi by 4 plus pi by 6. This is 2, 1. We are getting somewhere mistake. So it is better to write 10 pi by 4 plus 10 60, 10 30. 10 30 meaning 1 by root 3. And it is 1 minus 1 by root 3. So it is simply root 3 minus 1, root 3 plus 1. So if you do rationalize, it is 4 minus 2 root 3, 1 minus 2, multiply, it's 2 minus 4 plus 2 root 3. It is 2 root 3 minus 2. So simple answer. A and B are vectors if the distance of point this from angle bisector of OA and OB. Angle bisector. So angle bisector of OA OB is 9 root 2. Okay. So angle bisector could be root 3 comma 1 by 2 plus minus 1 plus root 3 by 2. So if it is somewhere plus root 3 plus 1 by 2, and this is 1 plus root 3 by 2, or if it is minus root 3 minus 1 by 2, 1 minus root 3 by 2. Okay. Mm. Okay, so distance of the point this from the angle bisector of OA OB. So angle bisector is there. There is a point. Now how to find the distance? Mm, this is a comma 1 minus a. So how to find the distance vector? Okay, OA, OB are there. So there is O. This is OC. Okay. So we can say that this is a vector. We'll do this vector cross this vector. Then we'll get a perpendicular vector, isn't it? So we'll do I cap, J cap, K cap. We have A 1 minus A 0, and here we have something like this. Okay, it is plus or minus. Okay, if it is minus, okay, if it is plus or minus, if we do this thing, we have simply root 3 plus 1 by 2 out, and we have 1 1 0. So it is simply you do I cap 0 0 0 0, J cap, K cap is only left. K cap is left with A minus 1 plus A, 2A minus 1, and we have something root 3 plus 1 by 2, or K vector. In case this would have been minus, it will become minus A minus 1 plus A. So it would have been minus only. Okay. So it would have been minus of root 3 minus 1 by 2. A cross B is this, and mod of this is this. So we'll have to divide the mod of this thing, root 3 by 2, root 3 by 1. So mod of this would have been 1 by root 2. Mod of this will be 1 by root 2. Okay. So what will happen? OC sine theta is what we are looking for. So OC sine theta is, this is what we got. We'll do mod of this, which is 2A minus 1. This is independent of A, so we cannot find A. So it is better to proceed with this one. So this is root 3 plus 1 by 2, and modulus of this is root 3 plus 1 by 2 root 2. So we are simply getting, this is nothing but 9 by root 2. So we are getting mod 2A minus 1 equal to 9. So A could be 5, A could be minus 4. So two possibilities of A are there. If in a binomial coefficient, three consecutive terms, tr plus 1, tr plus 2 in the expansion of this be in AP, 12 C r minus 1, A r minus 1, B 12 minus r minus 1, 12 C r, A r, B 12 minus r, 12 C r plus 1, A r plus 1, B 12 minus r plus 1. Okay, 12r. Okay, 12r minus 1. Okay, they are in AP. P be the number of all possible value of r. Okay, and Q be the sum of all rational terms in the binomial expansion. Okay, so they have given something different. Okay, okay. So 2 time of 12 CR A to the power r, B to the power 12 minus r is equal to 12 C r minus 1 A to the power r minus 1 B to the power 13 minus r plus 12C r plus 1 A to the power r plus 1 B to the power 11 minus r. Okay, so we can simplify it as to multiply it, so we can say that 2 12 cr. Okay, a b 12 cr minus 1 b square 12 cr plus 1 a square. Okay, so now we can do further 2 12 factorial r factorial 12 minus r factorial ab 12 factorial r minus 1 factorial 13 minus r factorial b square 12 factorial r plus 1 factorial 11 minus r factorial a square. Can we have something cancellation? R minus 1 r left. From here we have r and this gone. From here 12 minus r 12 minus r. So moving further, it is 2ab upon r 12 minus r equal to b square 13 minus r 12 minus r plus a square r plus 1. Mm. So what should be the trick? If this is 1, this is 1, this is 1, b equal to a. If we put a plus b equal to 1, can it work? A equal to b equal to 1, a plus b, it is 2 to the power 12. We can do a equal to b equal to 1, and then what will happen? So r is bigger than minus 1. R is bigger than 0. So we can say that r is 1 to 12. So this is P. So we have total 12 term, P equal to 12. Okay, and now P equal to 12. And now 3 to the power 1 by 4 plus 4 to the power 1 by 3 to the power 12. Expansion on expansion, what we are saying, 12 CR 3 to the power R by 4, 4 to the power 12 minus R by 3. So if R is 0, it is okay. If R is 4, it is okay. If R is 8, it is okay. If R is 12, it is okay. So it is 12C0, 3 to the power 4 to the power 4, 12C4, 8 by 3, not possible. 8, not possible. 12 is possible. 12C12, 3 to the power 3. So our sum is something 4 to the power 4, 3 to the power 3. 16, 256, 256, 27, 713, 283. So 283 प्लस 16, 283 प्लस 12, 295, ये आंसर हो गया. Hello everyone. So this we already did. 1 by 3 was the answer. This already we did. This already we did. This already we did. Now we are on this. Now we have one, two. Okay, we have only two questions. If component of a vector A along the perpendicular to B respectively are this and this. If component of a vector along and perpendicular to B. So along is this perpendicular to B, we don't know. If we do cross of A and B, we can get B vector. We'll do unit vector and then we do dot vector. Okay, okay, okay. So A vector dot B vector is mod A mod B divided by mod B vector. So A dot B is what? 3 alpha plus beta minus gamma upon mod B is what? 9, 10, 11. Now A vector cross B vector. Okay, this is AB sine theta. AB sine theta. So we require A sine theta. So we'll have to divide by B vector and this is the mod. So first we'll find A cross B. It is I J K A alpha beta gamma and B 3 1 minus 1. So this is I cap minus beta minus gamma minus j cap minus alpha minus 3 gamma plus k cap alpha minus 3 beta. Okay, okay. Mod of this thing is what? Root under beta plus gamma whole square plus alpha plus 3 gamma whole square plus alpha minus 3 beta whole square, and this is root 11. Okay, so we are told that this is equal to this value. So that means what can we compare is that we'll have to multiply with root 11 and root 11. So this is 11 and 48 A dot B I cap. So okay. Wait. Wait. This root 3 we cancel. Okay, this is the component value. But vector along this will become what? It will become component component in component multiply to unit vector. Okay, which is what? 16 by 11 and everything. So what will happen? You will get 3 alpha plus beta minus gamma equal to 16. Okay, this is one equation. Now what will happen? This is along cross product. Cross product is this thing minus beta minus gamma I cap plus j cap alpha plus 3 gamma plus k cap alpha minus 3 beta upon mod. So upon mod, this is the mod only. So mod cancel. Mm. So this is mod. Okay. So upon mod of this, so this is mod sine length up in this area, isn't it? So what will happen if this mod got cancelled? We are 11. So we can compare like this: beta plus gamma equal to 4, gamma plus 3 alpha equal to minus 5, alpha minus 3 beta, this is gamma, equal to minus 17. Okay, so we can say that alpha plus 3 gamma. So we have 4 5 equation. Okay. Mm, if we subtract this thing, we can say that alpha plus beta, it will subtract, it will become bara 4. Alpha plus beta is 4. So if we put alpha plus beta 4, we can get 2 plus alpha minus gamma is 12. So alpha gamma. If we subtract, we'll get alpha equal to gamma. If alpha equal to gamma, then alpha equal to 12, beta equal to 12, and gamma equal to alpha equal to 12, gamma equal to 12, and beta is what? Minus 8. So alpha square plus beta square is 12 square, 12 square, 8 square. 288 plus 64, 352. The one mistake we did is at this place. So they are coming somewhere integral, so we are moving ahead. Now this y equal to something. This is the differential equation. I think this the greatest integer. Is it the greatest integer that we don't know? Is it the greatest integer that we don't know? If it is not given, we will not consider it. So we can consider this as sine inverse x by 2 whole square whole cube minus y sine inverse x by 2. This is root under 4 minus x square dy by dx. If we do differentiation of this, it is nothing but 1 upon root under 1 minus x square by 4. 2 will come up. Okay, okay. So we have dy by dx plus y sine inverse x by 2 root under 4 minus x square equal to sine inverse x by 2 whole cube upon root under 4 minus x square. Now what will happen? Differentiation of sine inverse is what? Differentiation of sine inverse x by 2 is what? 4 minus x squared 1 by 2 1 by 2. It is like this, okay? It is dx. So we can say that this integration of this is what? Ln sine inverse x. So if you go further, it is nothing but e to the power integration of sine inverse x by 2 root 4 minus x squared dx, which is nothing but it is integrating factor, which is nothing but this is t dt, t dt sine e to the power sine inverse x by 2 whole square. Okay, t dt. Okay, now we are got e sine inverse x by 2 whole square y differentiation of that, and this side it will be 2 sine square x by 2 by 2 also in the up. Okay, it will be by 2. Now we have e to the power sin inverse x by 2 whole square by 2 into sin inverse x by 2 whole cube upon root under 4 minus x square. Is it so? Now what will happen? We'll integrate both the sides. So if we put it t e to the power t, this is t sin inverse x upon this is what dt. 2 sin inverse x, 2 to cancel, 2 sin inverse x and 2 to cancel. This is dt. So it is nothing but t e to the power t minus e to the power t plus c. So it is nothing but t is what? Sin inverse x whole square. Sin inverse x by 2 whole square by 2 was t minus 1 e to the power sin inverse x by 2 whole square by 2 plus c, and this is e to the power sin inverse x by 2 whole square by 2 into y. Okay, now we'll do with some fractional part. Y2 is pi square minus 8 by 4. Y2, so y2 is sin inverse 1 is pi by 2, pi square by 4, pi square by 8. E pi square by 8, and this was still pi square minus 8 by 4. Okay, we'll do it. This is pi square by 8 minus 1. It is e to the power pi square by 8 plus c. This is pi square by 8 by 4. I, I. So it is pi square minus 8 by 4 minus pi square minus 8 by 8 e to the power pi square by 8 equal to c. 2 pi square minus pi 216 plus 8 minus 8 by 8 is e pi square by 8 equal to c. Now y0 will become this 0, y0, this 0, this is minus 1, this 1. So we will be having simply pi square minus 8 by 8 e to the power pi square by 8 minus 1. That will be the answer. Okay, I think we got all the question done, isn't it? We have almost solved how much question? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 23 question we solved. Total 25 questions are there. So best of luck for tomorrow exam.